Hey everyone, let's talk about come back versus go back. I notice my students make a lot of mistakes with these two expressions because they're really confusing. They both mean to return. But when we use these expressions, we need to think about where we are located and where the person we are speaking to is located. I'm going to show you some examples, and after each example, I'll explain why we're using the expression we're using.
It was great to have you. We miss you already. Yeah, when are you going to come back to Chicago? I know you just left, but you should come back.
In this first example, I am at my apartment in Chicago. I'm on the phone with my friend who is not currently in Chicago. And I ask them, when are they going to come back to where I am currently located? I am currently located in Chicago.
So I'm going to go to the store, and then I'm going to come back here and we can make dinner. Sound good?
In this second example, I'm speaking to someone and we are both in the same place. I'm going to the store and then I'm going to come back to where I am now. After I go to the store, I'm going to return. I'm going to come back to where I currently am.
I was just thinking, it's been a long time since we visited friends in California. When should we go back?
In this example, I'm in my apartment in Chicago. At some point in the past, I visited California, but I'm not in California now. Therefore, I have to use go back when I talk about returning to California.
I just realized that I forgot to buy eggs at the store and I need them. I am gonna have to go back to the store. So that'll take me about 20 minutes. And then when I come back home, we can start dinner.
This example has both go back and come back. First, you hear me say, I have to go back to the store. I'm not currently at the store, so I need to return or go back to the store. Then I say, when I come back home, I use come back because I am currently at home when I am saying this. There you have it. That is come back and go back. I hope this video was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments.